Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right. We're at the end of this course, 11 weeks. That's right. We've made it to the end. Great stuff. Just thought we'd get into it and really start having some fun and really talking about editing and really finishing that demo reel because we've completed it. It's ready to go. We just need to add some final touches, make it sharing, and that's what we're going to be doing. So this week, we're going to do a lot of assessing and really understanding what we have as a product. And that's really what we're going to be talking about. So this week we're going to talk more about editing, how to assess what we fix, how to set your video up publicly, and what improvements you can make for those last little polish techniques that really help out. That's what we're really going to focus on. But other than things, we're also going to take a look at many things to look out for as we're assessing things, being thorough, and really being critical on everything. That's the really aspect, because a lot of times when you want to get your work out there, you just want to get it out there, but you don't realize like there's a lot of little elements. Once it's out there, people can see everything. So you want to make sure you're critical on all aspects and really get it out there to the point of what you want and have multiple ways to do what you want. That's really the big aspect about that. So you got to really ask yourself a few questions. We're going to go over this in lecture 2, like, does each element meet your requirements? Do you feel like there's any confusion anywhere? Do you feel distracted by a certain element that caused you to turn off the video? Does the pacing make sense? And do you get bored watching? Re-ask these questions. We've been asking these questions throughout the lecture, so we keep re-asking these selves so we can make sure that we're still passing these elements. So we're going to go over these again tomorrow for lecture, and that's pretty much it. But other than that, that's all I got. So I just want you to focus. We're at the end. Clean up as much as you can. Make it as professional as possible. Really make it eye-popping, but also make sure that your work is really focused. That's the big aspect about that. But other than that, we have some discussions this week. It's just giving feedback to your classmate. Please give a lot of detail and feedback since this is the last post. We're also going to talk about your presentations, if you want to do them on the discussions or if you want to do them on actually in person. That would be really great. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So we'll talk all about that for lecture tomorrow. Also, initial post due tomorrow, reply post on Saturday, then your final edits and making it available on Sunday along with the lecture assignment. That's pretty much all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, have a great week. I'll see everybody for lecture tomorrow, and that's all I got. So have a good one, my friends. Take it easy. Bye-bye.